Good morning, y'all. I am trying something different. I am recording off of my cell phone today. Haven't done this in a while, but my computer is acting up. This is going to be a real quick look. I'm hoping gold. That is the goal, to make sure this is a real quick look. But basically, what I'm going to do is a no foundation makeup look. Pause for effect. So let's see. I've already done my brows, as you can see. And real quick, I'm going to throw a little bit of eyeshadow on these here eyes. But before I do that, let me set with my E.L.F HD Powder. Dust. Real quick. Throw it on. Yep. Okay. But I really want to master a dewy look. Summertime is coming and I just want to look like what I look like when I put on my skincare products, but with makeup and not too much. And so what I think I'm going to try to look, well, that was really rude of my alarm so early in the morning. But what I know I'm going to try to look for sometime this weekend is probably like a balm, not the Good Apple, but another balm to put on my face that will just keep my skin nice and glowy. I have a bronzer from Juvia's Place that is nice and glowy. That will, do the trick. Chef's kiss, be in, out, good. All right, that was pretty much it for the eyes. All I did was conceal, outline. What I do? Oh, let me show y'all my new pencil. So basically, that was my brows. All I did was put my brow gel on, my new brow gel from Essence. I did use my new pencil from M.A.C. It is stud. I brought the OG back and they made it a lot smaller, but a lot lighter, but definitely still pigmented. Oh my God. And now I'm going to go into my dark spots. Typically, you could do this with a color corrector and a concealer that is your shade. Make sure it's your shade. Now, this is probably not my shade. Y'all gonna tell me that, and I know that, but that's okay. I like this shade. It's my preference. But we're gonna put this under here. I'll do a little of that one because this is what I do. Praise is what I do. And then I do a little bit of, this is NW51 at the top and NW50 here, okay? Because this is my mix. And I'm running out of the NW50. I just bought an NW51. Had two NW50s. Thought I was good on that. So I did not purchase a NW50. Boy, was I wrong. So while that is drying down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes because, again, real quick look. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:53 a.m.
Okay, so we don't have a lot of time and we want to get out of here real quick. So this is my Maybelline primer. I will put the products in the description box. I know I have been just amazed by this product lately. When I don't have on my lashes, this is it. I did curl my lashes before I got started because I knew I was not putting on any lashes today. I took those jokers off last night and rubbed my eyes down something good. And I was like, freedom! It's all good. They are not bad. I just have to give myself a break from everything every now and again. So be it that I do my makeup pretty much every day for work, on the weekends, I am barefaced. There's something special going on. Now what I'm bringing in is my Hourglass mascara. Y'all know I like to do 3 mascaras. Typically, I put on my M.A.C mascara because it has the fibers in it. But I want to try something different. Let's see. I'm not mad at it. I am so happy that I curled my lashes before I started. Okay, that's that on that. So there you go. This is it, y'all. Right here. Bam. And the reason why I put this on under my eyes is because that's where I have my dark spots. If you have any other areas on your skin that you want to cover up, we're using concealer. So use your concealer to conceal it. One that is your shade. Conceal it. And then boom. You'll be in the game too, coach. Straight like that. It'll be done. And then we in it. That's it. Bam. Then we're going to throw a little bronzy bronze on. And then bam, we out the door. Because we want to keep it, well, now we're going to set it now. Don't go too far. You get overzealous, okay? Clear HD powder, okay? It's my E.L.F. That's my E.L.F. Yup. And then me, I like to, E.L.F. is cool, but I don't think it sets my makeup long enough for me. So now, okay, if I have another alarm go off, listen, I'm an alarm girly in the morning. Alexa, what time it is?
The time is 5 a.m.
Time for me to be moving. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm going with my HUDA Beauty setting powder right now because sometimes I don't feel like the HD setting powder keeps my makeup in place all day. Like, we'll set it for right now, but like all day, that is my unpopular opinion. So there we go. I said it. So we'll set it right here, right on top of where we put the concealer. So if you have concealer in any of your other little spots, just make sure you set it down. And then that's that on that. And then I'm going to take my AR palette. And y'all know I'm taking my little favorite color out of here. The darkest one. If y'all can't see it, let me show it to y'all. The one I put a hole in. I put a dent in it. Okay. And then we go dust it off. And then just right along the cheek. That's what the heck's getting stuck to me. Spoolie getting stuck to my arm. So this is what it looks like when it's on the face a little and nothing on the face. So you could choose to not put anything, but I do because I know the powder against nothing is probably gonna look just a little weird. So I'm just giving myself just a little bronzy bronze. That's it, just like that. So I look like me, but me. Last but not least, y'all know I'm gonna hit myself with my Sephora Micro Smooth, and I do have like multiple colors in this, and you can too. I mean, because they have them on sale for like $5 at Sephora, $10 sometimes. This is really cheap. So you take your big old Sigma brush or a fluffy brush. You can get the $10 brush from E.L.F. It'll do the same thing. Do your Sephora Micro Smooth, because I don't like the way this looks, because even though I say I want to do a dewy look, it's going to be for the summer, not today. Okay? So when I do put on anything matte on my face, I do like to take away some of the shine. So I do it by putting on a little bit of powder just to help right here. You can do this with foundation as well. But this is a no foundation look. So, baby, we not hitting it with no foundation. That on that is that. Keeping it straight cool. And this is my shade. Yes. Yes. I say yes. You say yes. Yes. Y'all counted how many products that was? Because I don't know. It wasn't that many. So it is what it is. And if you just want to be, you know, extra and look like you being extra, you could go ahead and put on some blush. Now, if you don't, you can go like this, run up out the door, set your face, and then you be good to go. But me, I'm a blush girly. So y'all know me. I'm going to throw some blush on because that's just me. You don't have to do this step. I'm just extra. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Boop, 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 boop. I smile all day. Like, I love it. And that's like really the bulk of it. You can go in to work really like this. I tend to do this, but I won't go all the way across my eye. Just give it a little corner piece, darken it up like that. And then I'm not going to use my primer down here for the simple fact that the Hourglass comes off so very well. And it already has like a very small, fine brush. So we just gonna go in with the Hourglass. See? Told you. This Hourglass is like, oh, you called me? Here I come. All right. I'm like, whoa, slow down, partner. Slow down. I called you, but geez, you got some other people at the show with you. It's like, no, it's just me. And I concentrated more to the edges. I didn't put it on the front part of it, just to keep it looking a little more neutral. Okay? And that's that on that. And if I would have had my little peely on the back of my hand, I would have peeled this off and I would have been done. But since I don't, I have to take my napkin and I have to wipe it off because we don't want to go into work with that on the back of our hand. Okay? Now, I did just purchase this recently, which I should have actually purchased the Power Grip Primer with it, but I didn't. So shake this up. Okay? I'm going to shake it up and we're going to put it. It's a very fine mist, is what it says. Oh, it is. Whoa, I can barely feel it. Okay, come on. Is it spraying on my face, y'all? Can't feel jack. I hope I'm not putting too much. Oh, it's there. Whoa. Well, I will be set and wet all day moving forward while that dries down. I got chestnut pencil from M.A.C too. We are going to line the lips. Honey, look at this. I'm barely pressing this. Look. Man, if y'all ain't got y'all some M.A.C products, y'all better get y'all some of these. Oh, amazing. I'm being sold M.A.C all over again. Like, when I say was not a M.A.C person, was not. This is a nude color. All right, which one are you? This is Velvet Teddy. Yep, Velvet Teddy. Let's see how you're looking. Velvet Teddy by M.A.C too. Keep it real neutral. Lay around for that, for these amazing videos that I've been filming and I am ready to bring to you. So I'll see y'all in one of those. All right, y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. I ain't even take my thing off. Y'all ain't even tell me, girl. Y'all ain't even tell me she wasn't done. Ooh, y'all